Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Indo Wings and today I'm back with another exciting video for you guys, and this time it is Aisha's Enchantix from season 3. I prefer to use the green Enchantix of Aisha here. So first of all guys, I'm really sorry that I didn't uploaded a video from a very long time. Seriously, a very long time. I have filmed this video around November, but due to certain reasons I couldn't upload it, or so a lot of stuff has happened since November till date. Like we have got the live action trailer and the live action itself, the Faith and Wings saga, and I really enjoyed the series. I really have a lot of things to say about that series, but I think so I will keep that later in a separate video for you guys. So as for this drawing guys, I will be just drawing the normal pencil drawing, and then I will be just coloring it as always. So in this particular drawing, you will see it that the time lapse has been a little bit of unfilmed, because I was filming and I just paused the camera, and like I really didn't knew that the camera is paused, and I just did the drawing, and later when I was switching my camera, so I found that I accidentally just paused the camera and filmed the entire video, and I was like, what the hell? Like you can really tell that it has happened here. So as we are drawing Aisha's Enchantix, let's just discuss about her Enchantix form and how she owns it. So Aisha gains the Enchantix by sacrificing her eyes in order to save Queen Legia. So first of all, for her outfits now, the outfits are really pretty, and the colors are really the thing that bothers so many fans around the globe. So we have two color palettes for Aisha's Enchantix, and one is in the blue color, that was her original Enchantix form, and that I really like too. And the second one is the green color that is shown in this, that I have choose for this video. For her color of the green, they have chosen a little lime green color for Aisha, and I know why they have chosen green color, because her Magic Wings transformation had that lime green kind of color. It was not lime green, it was a little bit green, like normal green color for her, and it really suits her well. But if I really prefer a color for Aisha's Enchantix, I would really go for the blue one, as because first of all, that was the iconic color of that iconic moment, and secondly, Aisha really looks good in that blue color, and it really depicts her water-based powers really well to me. So that's why I really prefer blue one. But for the sake of this video, I just went for the light green or lime green color that she has in the movie as well, the Secret of the Lost Kingdom movie. And for the wings designs also, I guess that the wings for Aisha's wings are also of two types. I mean, like the Enchantix wings for all the girls have a little variations in, I think so, every artwork they have made so far. So it's really hard to tell like what actual colors or actual design for the wings of the Enchantix are, because somewhere it's a little bit in yellow in the series as well, and somewhere it is a little bit green, and in the movie also they have changed. So I really just decided for going to green, but I am really, if possible, if I just completed all the girls and I have time to do a blue Aisha's Enchantix, I will really go for that as well. Now for the live action, Aisha is being played by Precious Mustafa, and she's really a great actress. I have heard a lot of complaints, and I myself have realized it, that they didn't give a lot of story arc to Aisha, in particular. I think so that in the future seasons we shall be getting the story arc for Aisha as well, because the second season's release or whatever, the promotion or the introduction, whatever that was, they told us in that we will really see more of Aisha and all the girls. So yeah, so this was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video and showing support, and please like, subscribe and comment down below, and you can always tell me that what girls you want to see next and whatever. You just write it in the comments, like whatever you feel and your thoughts about Aisha's Enchantix and your opinion about Fate, Precious Mustafa, and all, like anything you can put it in the chat and just let's talk there. So make sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. I have linked my Insta handles at @IndoWings and droix.india down below in the bio. So thanks for watching my video, guys. Bye.